Introduction to HACCP, Conducting a Hazard Analysis. In this video, we will discuss the first step in the HACCP process, conducting a hazard analysis. This involves identifying potential hazards that can be present in food production. We will explore different types of hazards that can be present in food production, including biological, chemical, and physical hazards. Hazards can be biological, chemical, or physical in nature. For example, biological hazards can include bacteria, viruses, and parasites that can cause foodborne illnesses. Chemical hazards include contaminants such as pesticides, cleaning agents, and food additives. Physical hazards include foreign objects that can accidentally make their way into food, such as glass or metal fragments. When conducting a hazard analysis, it's important to consider all stages of the food production process, from receiving and storage to preparation and packaging. This includes evaluating the raw materials and ingredients used in production and the equipment and facilities used. The hazard analysis process involves 4 steps: hazard identification, hazard assessment, hazard control, and hazard communication. Let's take a closer look at each step. The first step is hazard identification. This involves identifying all potential hazards that could occur at each stage of the production process. For example, the hazard of contaminated raw materials should be identified in the receiving stage. The second step is hazard assessment. This involves evaluating the severity and likelihood of each identified hazard. For example, microbial testing can assess the likelihood of biological hazards in raw materials. The third step is hazard control. This involves developing and implementing control measures to prevent or minimize hazards. For example, regular sanitation and equipment cleaning can help control the spread of bacteria. The fourth and final step is hazard communication. This involves communicating the potential hazards and control measures to all staff involved in the production process. In conclusion, conducting a hazard analysis is critical in the HACCP process. By identifying potential hazards and developing control measures to prevent them, we can ensure that the food we produce is safe for consumption.